I saw Sauce Walka just took his newly purchased Cybertruck to the hood, showing it off and letting people take pictures with it. He says he did this to motivate the people over here because he was once like them. Let's check it out.
Hey, free G Hustler, man.
Free G Hustler.
Free G Hustler, man.
Free G Hustler, man.
Nah, for real.
Free G Hustler.
On the way.
He on the way. Come on. You know I'm holding this until you come home. You feel me? On South. Yeah. Man, dead in Texas, Southside. Next time. Nah, that's my backup pipe. Put the 102 at the back. Same thing, 102, just put it on there. It's gonna pop up. You know what I'm saying? Live from the Kim store, free my hustler. RP 6 letters. You know what I'm talking about? Wood on tour right now, you feel me? Feel me? I'm from the houses though, right here, you feel me? My house, baby, you know what I'm saying? We got the projects down there, the jets down that way. I'm from this side of the end, though, you know what I'm saying? 5400 outside. Who that, Black? Black, what's up?
I see you just jump out there.
What? Thank you, man. Come on, celebrate right now. Fuck out, you know what I'm saying?
G-Day, man.
Yeah. We just passed.
Now I don't do this phone stuff, but now I'm the picture on there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Look at my boy, people, man.
Check my man out, but happy G-Day.
You know what I'm saying?
Happy G-Day.
You know what I'm saying? From Lil Al, you know what I'm talking about?
The
kid that did, man. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, wait. You know what I'm saying? Young South Park legend, you know what I'm talking about? Martin Luther King, baby, though, dead in, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Free Lil Walter, though, you know what I'm talking about? Free L3, nigga. On South, free Lil Vic, nigga. Yeah.
Real shit. We outside. Like that, man. That's what I'm
Chain. Yeah, we still, Fleet still stupid. Don't forget, nigga. Fleet stupid, nigga. Yeah, you can't me, nigga. The Fleet stupid.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.